Good morning, Year 7. Today we're going to do another lesson on expanding. So it'll be very similar to what we were doing last lesson, but there will be a few questions at the end that have a few extra minus signs in there to make it a little bit trickier. So let's have a look at question number 1. We are expanding using the distributive law. So that means whatever is at the front, we times it by each thing inside the bracket. 8 times x is equal to 8x. And then there is a plus sign in the bracket, and we do 8 times 1, which is 8. Okay, let's do that again. In question 2, 4 times a is 4a. This time there's a minus in the bracket, and 4 times 2 makes 8. Question 3, 3 times 5a makes 15a, plus sign in the bracket, 3 times 2 makes 6. Question 4, 5a times 2a, 5 times 2 is 10, a times a is a squared. Minus in the bracket, 5 times 9 is 45, then we have an a and a b from those terms. Question 5 and 6 are the ones that I was talking about that have these minus signs at the front. So you have to be extra careful with these because it does change the symbol of the middle when you expand. So let's give these a go. Minus 4 times 3m. Minus 4 times 3 is a negative 12m. Minus 4 times a plus 2. Because one of the numbers is negative, that means the result is going to be negative. 4 times 2 is 8. So this is what I mean. So this symbol here has gone from a plus and is now a minus because of the minus that was out the front. Let's try another one of those. Minus 7h times 2k. Minus 7 times 2 is negative 14. And we have two letters, H and K, so in alphabetical order, HK. Minus 7 times a minus 5. Two negatives will multiply together to give a positive. 7 times 5 is 35, and then we will have a H and a J. Okay, so now time for exercise 11.